Welcome to Teacher Ferwin TV, an online opportunity to learn infinitely. This is John Ferwin Zamora Camargo for another episode of I Can Learn. Now let's have the drag and drop function. So for instance, we have this. Drag the bars to the empty area to create a histogram representing the table. So here we have this. What you're going to do is they will drag this figures, these bars here, to the histogram so that we can create the histogram. So we will use here the drag and drop. So we have the click, drag and drop, and we have the plus sign. It means it's activated. You will just set which is like that, and then like that. After setting which area to be used, then we can add drop zone. So which do you want this to be dropped? So just have this icon here and drag where do you want. So in the question, it is on 40 to 42. And then next, just click add drag and drop to activate another figure. Then add drop zone. Then put where do you want it to put? Okay. Next we have click drag and drop. Okay. 2 2. Okay. You may also add drop zone, and then so if you want, if this is the correct answer, to put it here. Okay, that's the magic here in EDFORM, because you can have the drag and drop. The link, add a drop zone, excuse me, add a drop zone. Okay, so here we have the add drop zone. And also here, add a drop zone. Then for instance, this is the next is 13. So for instance, this is 13. Then add drop zone. Then it should be here. The next is 15. Add drop zone. add drop zone, then locate it here, and then add, that is 5, then add drop zone here, then drag and drop, add here, add drop zone, and here. So that is for the teacher's view in making for the drag and drop. So that is the teacher's view for drag and drop. So now let's proceed first to the next example. So we have in page 7, okay, this one, naming the basic parts of computer. So again, we can make use of the drag and drop. So we have to, that's it, and then add drop zone, that is, where's the printer? Here. So they should put here, drag and drop, monitor, drag and drop, sorry, add drop zone, then drop, drag and drop, system unit, add drop zone, then like that, drag and drop, table. Oh, no one had an answer of table, so we have the mouse, add drop zone, mouse, drag and drop, we have the keyboard, drop, drag and drop, sorry, microphone, add drop zone, locate, for keyboard, add drop zone, and locate. Then lastly we have the speakers, add drop zone again. So that is a very easy thing for us to set up a drag and drop activity to our students. On the next is, okay, we can also have like this. We have usually we call it get in the table or find in the table the following terms being described, for instance. So we have drag and drop, just click outlier and where you want it to put, for instance there, drag and drop, number 1 is, for instance here, drag and drop, we have 0, that is here. So that they cannot have a hint, hopefully it is of the same size, this one, so that they can't have a hint. So I have drag and drop, then have it here, and then drag and drop here, okay, drag and drop here, drag and drop, and here, drag and drop, and here.
The love.